Hello everyone, welcome my dear 5th class students to your English 1 language class. So today we'll have the grammar portions of your chapter 8, that is adjectives for comparison. In the last video we have read the chapter, isn't it? We have known the rules about the adjectives for comparison. The 3 adjectives for comparison we have read, no? Isn't it? 3 forms of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative, right my dear? So now today we'll go for the grammar part of your chapter. So let's move to the grammar part. Number A. Take the most appropriate form of adjectives in the sentences given below. First one, Sohan is dash then Shyam. I have given the clues last time, okay, that if the word than is there, then it is a comparison between Sohan and Shyam. So you see the options are given: strong, stronger, strongest. So stronger is the right option, okay. Number 2, the dog is the dash animal. So here you can see the dog is the dash animal. Before your blank here, before your options, the is given. Da means it indicates the superlative degree. And the options are here: faithful, more faithful, most faithful. So what will be the right answer? Most faithful. Number 3, the black box is dash then the white box. Again, then what is used? Comparison. So options: heavy, heavier, heaviest. The correct option is heavier. Number 4, Delhi is dash then Mumbai. Again comparison. So option is hot, hotter, hottest. Answer is hotter. Number 5, a pig is dash then a dog. Again comparison. Okay. So options: fat, fatter, fattest. So option is what? Fatter is the right answer. Number 6, Veena is the dash girl in the school. So options are pretty, prettier, prettiest. The is used. So superlative degree, prettiest is the right answer. Number 7, Kolkata is the dash city of India. Again before options we have the word the. So superlative degree, that is largest. Number 8, the girl is dash then the boy. Again comparison. Options: thin, thinner, thinnest. So answer will be your thinner. The second, number 9, the second exercise is dash then the first. Again comparison has come. Options: difficult, more difficult, most difficult. The correct answer is more difficult. Let's move to the number 10th now. A sofa is dash then a bench. Again comparison. Option: comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. So more comfortable. Number 11, Ramesh is a dash boy. Okay, simple adjective. See, it is talking about only one person, Ramesh. So positive degree. Option: fat, fatter, fattest. Fat is the right answer. Number 12, she is the dash girl in the class. Again what has come? Superlative degree, because before option the is used. So the right answer is most careless. Number 13, Raju's marks are the dash in the whole class. Option: good, better, best. So answer is best. Number 14, the cat is the dash of all animals. Again superlative degree. Option: lazy, lazier, laziest. Correct answer is laziest. Number 15, the baby looked dash yesterday. Cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. Okay, talking about only one baby. So answer is cheerful. Okay my dear students. Now let's go to the B option. Write sentences using the comparative and superlative forms of adjectives given in brackets. Already the first one has done for you. Cycle, bullock cart and motorcycle is given. A bicycle is, here options are given: slow and fast. Taking these 2 options you have to make into superlative degree and comparative degree. A bicycle is faster than a bullock cart. A bullock cart is the slowest. A motorcycle is the fastest. Same way here you see silver, iron, gold is given, okay, and options are cheap and costly. So silver is cheaper than gold. Iron is the cheapest than silver and gold. Gold is the costliest of all the metals, okay. Now number, here you see again Chennai, okay, Chennai, Shimla and Delhi is given, and here options are hot and cold. So Chennai was hotter than Shimla. Shimla was the coldest place, and Delhi was the hotter than the what? Chennai, isn't it? Okay, so we'll go for the next one. So Joseph, okay, Joseph, Mary and Ahmad. Joseph, options are high and low. Joseph had higher marks than Mary. Mary had the lowest mark. Ahmad had the highest mark in the class. Now next one, here regular and irregular is given. Okay, so you can see these pictures and you can write Rina was regular, then Ajay. Ishak was the most regular. Ajay was irregular. Now here we go to the next one. Chair, sofa and bench is given. So a chair is more comfortable than a bench. A sofa is the most comfortable place, isn't it? A bench is the what here? What will come here? Is uncomfortable, isn't it? Uncomfortable than this two. Then next comes here Bangalore. Options are near and far. Bangalore is nearer than Kanyakumari. Mumbai is near. Kanyakumari is the farthest. Okay. Next here you see options popular and unpopular. Comedy circus is unpopular than Kaun Banega Crorepati. Big Boss is unpopular. Kaun Banega Crorepati is the most popular program. Okay. Next we'll go for the C-bit. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct group of words from the brackets. Okay. Here you see two options are given. Here options are given. You have to use one of the correct option in the blank. The first one, the Red Fort is dash building in Delhi. Option is the oldest. Okay. Number 2, Gavaskar was dash batsman in the Indian team. Options are one of the best and the best, and answer is the best. Mount number 3, Mount Everest is dash mountain in the world, and options are one of the highest, the highest. The answer is the highest. Fourth number, Madhya Pradesh is dash state of India. Option one of the largest, the largest, and answer is the largest. Gold is dash metals. Options are the heaviest, one of the heaviest, and the answer is one of the heaviest. Number 6, the Brahmaputra is dash river of India. Option the longest, one of the longest, and the correct answer is the longest river of India. Mona Lisa is dash beautiful paintings of the world. Options one of the most, the most. Answer is one of the most. Number 8, the Sahara is dash desert in the world. Options the biggest, one of the biggest, and the correct answer is the biggest. The United States of America is dash countries of the world. Options one of the most powerful, the most powerful, and the correct answer is one of the most powerful. Number 10, Kolkata is dash city of India. Option the most crowded, one of the most crowded. That is answer is the most crowded. Now my dear students, it might be confusing, no? In this options, one is given one of the largest, the largest. So where to use this one of the largest and the largest, isn't it? Where to use it? You are in confusion, so I'll give a clue for this. Okay. After you can see nouns. Building is a noun, so this adjective comes always before the noun. If the noun is singular here, you will use the oldest. That means you will use the superlative degree here. But you can see here, if the noun is plural, you can see here metals. S is given plural, so there you will use one of the heaviest. You can see here also beautiful paintings, plural, so one of the most. Here you see countries, plural, so one of the most powerful. Now understood? So before you write the adjectives, see the noun. If the noun is singular in number, then you will write the superlative degree. Okay? If the noun is plural, you will use this word one of the. Okay, my dear students, I hope so it is clear for you. The grammar portions, please note it down in your notebook. Okay, we'll meet in the next video for the next chapter. Thank you, my dear. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.